Today I'm going to backtest the best buy and sell TradingView indicator for scalping with 80% accuracy, which was discovered by Online Trade Signals. But before we start, I just want to say thank you for 200 subs. This channel is growing fast like a Bitcoin in 2017. You guys are killing it. Okay, so we're going to backtest our strategy on a Bitcoin 5-minute chart. But first, let's switch our candlesticks from Japanese to Heikin Ashi. I know a lot of you guys are thinking that the results from a backtesting a system with Heikin Ashi candlesticks are a bit different because of the difference in entry price, but the truth is that difference is very insignificant on a 5-minute chart. Okay, so let's now add our indicator to our chart, and that indicator is called Chandelier Exit by Everget. Okay, so we have our indicator on our chart, but we see those signals are very inaccurate. So this buy signal could have been way sooner. So what we're going to do, we're going to tweak the settings. We're going to change the ATR period from 22 to 1 and our ATR multiplier from 3 to 2. Also, we're going to change the style. So we're going to get rid of all these unnecessary lines, all these fillings, and change these from absolute to below for buy label and above for sell label. Okay, so after tweaking the settings on this indicator, we see it looks much better, much cleaner, and also those signals became more accurate. But still, we cannot use this indicator on its own, so we're going to add a second indicator to our chart, which is called an ZLS MA, so zero lag moving average by Verifid. And we're going to change the settings on this moving average from 32 to 50. Okay, so we got our indicators on our chart ready. Let's get into our entry rules. So in order to enter a short position, we need to have a sell signal from our indicator, and also the price needs to be sitting below this moving average. So this would be a valid signal to go short. The opposite works when entering long trades. We need to have a signal to buy from our indicator, and the price needs to be above the moving average. We cannot take a long position if the price is below the moving average, just like an example right here. You see we have a signal from our indicator to go long, but the price is sitting below the moving average. So we do not wait for the price until it crosses the moving average. We just ignore this trade altogether. Okay, so we can see the entry rules are very simple. Let's now get into our exit rules. So if we were about to take a short position right here, we would enter the trade. We would set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and we would exit the trade whenever we see the price crossed and closed above the moving average. So we would exit the trade on this candlestick right here, and our risk to reward ratio would be 2.32. We're also going to be risking 2% from our account. So on this trade, we would have gained 4.64% profit. Okay, let's take another long trade. So we see the signal from our indicator to go long right here. We would have set our stop loss at the recent swing low, and we would wait for the price to cross and close below the moving average. So we see it happened right there on that candlestick. And on this particular trade, we had 1.26 risk to reward ratio, and we would have made 2.6% profit. Okay, not bad. Okay, our next trade. Let's take a short position on this trade right here. So we would set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and we would close it somewhere there. See the price just crossed and closed above this moving average. And our risk to reward ratio is 1.05, and our profit is 2%. Okay, another long signal right here. So let's take that trade. Let's set our stop loss at the recent swing low. That's somewhere there, I believe. And the profits will be very insignificant, so 8.19 risk to reward ratio. So that's around 8.4% profit. Let's take another short signal right here. So we see we had a signal from our indicator. The price was below the moving average. and we would set our stop loss at the recent swing high, and we would close it somewhere there on that candlestick. So our risk to reward ratio is 0.43. So we would have made around 0.8% profit on this trade. Okay, so we see the system has been working really well so far. So let's actually test it 100 times and compare the results to the other systems we've already tested on this channel. Okay, backtesting is over and we made some ridiculous gains. I mean, just take a look. We started our account with £1,000 and as I said, we were risking 2% per each trade. And our win rate is 51%. It's not ideal, but still it's really good. And we made 212.52% returns on our account, which is absolutely crazy. And this is mainly because we caught some of those massive trades. Just take a look at this spike right here. We caught a massive trade right there of around probably like 20% gains. So that's 20% profit on one trade, which is absolutely crazy. So we see the account took off right away, and after that it was moving sideways for the first 30 trades, but then eventually we started making some serious returns. And starting from trade 72, we had this sideways move as well. This is where the market was consolidating and it wasn't trending, so we need to consider that as well. Okay, let's compare this system to our other systems that we already got on our channel. So we see our system is on the last place in terms of win rate, but that's not actually that bad because take a look at these numbers right here. The growth is over 200%, so that's probably going to be on second place. Yeah, that's definitely on a second place after this system right here. So I'd highly suggest you check out this video. This insane scalping crypto strategy will make you filthy rich. That was absolutely crazy strategy. We were risking 2% per trade, and we didn't set our take profit target. We were letting our winners ride, and we had 60% win rate, and we made over 390% return on our account. So that was absolutely insane. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find it useful, then smash the like button. It really helps with the algorithm, and if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.